Hi, welcome back. So here, as I said, we will be taking part 2 of recruitment and selection. Here we will be talking about LinkedIn search and Boolean search string, which has actually changed the game of recruitment. So now today LinkedIn search has become main source of recruiting employees. To find the hidden gems on LinkedIn, we use Boolean search string. So everyone is now hiring through LinkedIn. Everyone is searching the different kind of candidates or talent through LinkedIn. So how to make sure how to use the LinkedIn to its best ability so that we have the best kind of talents in the world. For that we use something which is known as Boolean search string. Since everyone is using LinkedIn platform to search candidates, we have to make sure that we are not in the race to recruit that 5 to 10% of the people that comes on the top of search list. So suppose while searching in LinkedIn, we typed, if suppose we want to search a security engineer and we are typing security engineer, then a list will come and obviously people will recruit from that list we will suppose taking 5 to 10% of the people. So every company will be recruiting those 5 to 10% of the candidate because they are using simple keywords. Now if we change the way we are searching, we will be able to attract those talents which are not easily accessible by the other people. So what happened now, the people or the employees also have become very smart. They don't want to get disturbed by every or each or the other every company. So they set their profile in such a way that in those basic key searches their profile does not pop up, so that they are not disturbed by every company. So that this shows us that the normal searches that we do, that those people are not the final people. There are a lot more talented people who those people have hidden their profiles or they have not used those common keywords. To search those hidden talents, we have to choose keywords more wisely. Like instead of using exact word, we have to use words related to that field. Okay. Now approach a candidate who is not looking for a job in such a way that you are asking for referrals or connection to find the best candidate. So now while searching or while doing your analysis, you found some great candidates or some great talents, but they are actually not looking for those for any kind of opportunity. Now we should approach them, but in a way that we are not just asking them to join our company, but we are asking them for giving referral. In this way, they will come to know about your company. They will come to know that there is a vacancy. So if they want, they can join us or they can refer some of the best talent that they know. So this is also a great kind of recruiting method. Next is, and also one point I missed here, that what mostly people do, that the profile which has a lot of data, a lot of resume, their resume is filled with information. Generally those are not it's a myth that the resumes with a lot of data are the best resumes or the best candidates. No, some people use minimal words to describe them, to describe their profile, but we have to find those hidden talent, those talent which are not discovered by each and every one. So this was all about LinkedIn search. Now we will see, we will look into Boolean search string. That is how we can search, what things we have to do to search on LinkedIn effectively. So moving ahead, Boolean search string is a method which is used to source candidates on search engines like Google, Bing, on social media, social networking sites like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So this is a method by which we can search the candidates on any platform. It helps to search resumes database more effectively, as there are thousands of resumes from which we have to find the right fit for our company. So as I told you, suppose we are searching a security engineer. So lot of resumes will come. But if we will use our search more effectively, suppose thousands of resumes come. Now to look into thousands of application is a tedious task, and most of them will not be fit for based on our requirement. So what we can do, if we use those searches effectively, efficiently, then what we can do, we will have 100 application in respect of 1000. Our time is reduced. Also those 100 will be more close with our requirement. So it's very good to use such kind of method for searching our candidate. Boolean means use of and, or, and not. So basically Boolean search string revolve around three functions: and, or, and not. So and means joining two things. Suppose you want someone who has the knowledge of Java programming as well as C++ programming. So we will write Java and C++ because we want both these the candidate who have knowledge of both the language. Suppose we want that they can have any one of them. It's not necessary that they have both of them. So we will use or, Java or C++. That means they can have, one second. So if we are writing here Java or C++, that means they can have the knowledge of either Java or C++. One second. They can have the knowledge of Java or C++. So they don't have to be a master of both the languages. Now not, if we are using not, that means they should not know Java, they should not know C++, and apart from that, if they know any other language, then we will accept that candidate. Okay, I think this got clear to you. Now what are modifiers? Quotes. Use of searches, exact phrase that consists of more than one word. So suppose we have to search a security engineer. Okay, suppose we have to search security engineer. So this is two words, but this is one post or one position. So we will write it in curly brackets. Now second is asterisk, use of keyword, use at the end of a keyword to include all its variations. This is not used in LinkedIn. So suppose we are writing recruiter. So what are the various forms of recruit? Recruiter, recruitment, recruiting. So any the candidates can have used any of these words. So we can just write recruit and asterisk. So it will denote every word which starts with recruit. This is not used in LinkedIn. Then braces, that is curly bracket, this is normal brackets, used to wrap or searches. So if we are writing director or sale, okay, so we will include it in curly brackets. So now this means either sales director or sale manager. So anyone, any person who is either a sale director or he is a sale manager, both can apply or both fit for this position. Okay, I hope this got clear to you. Also nowadays various automation tools are there in the market which make this process easy. So recruiter like Mighty Recruiter, this help us to use simple filters. So if you you don't have to write these searches, if you are just selecting the particular option, those kind of candidates will be popped up. So it helps us to filter the desired resume from a pool of resumes. Also use of operator both to combine or to exclude the keywords. So these operator we use to either combine the keywords or to separate the keyword. Okay, so suppose here we want the person should not be a sales director or manager. So what we can write here? We can write here not sales director or manager. So he should not be a sales director or a sales manager. So this is to exclude a particular kind of people from the overall group of talent. Moving ahead with this Boolean search. So file type PDF, file type docs, file type txt to search for a specific file type only. So this whatever rules we are studying in Boolean search string, as I already told you that this is not just for LinkedIn, it can be used on any of the platform, be it Google, be it Bing or any search engine. So if we want a particular resume in a particular kind of file type, we can use this kind of syntax. If we want resumes from a particular site, that the resumes which are only on LinkedIn or only on Facebook, we can use this kind of syntax. While searching, we combine keywords with operator to produce the desired result. That is, a combination of and or not and various keywords will help us to get the desired kind of candidate. So order in which the symbol work is quotes, then brackets, then not, then and or. So what does this means? That I think you must have studied about BODMAS when you were in 10th, I think. So what does this indicate? That first we have to, any equation is solved by first considering into brackets, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So this is the steps in which any equation is solved. Similarly, this is the step in which any kind of searches is considered. So first we will consider about quotes, then brackets, then not, then and, then or. So don't get confused. When you will start using this, you will get an idea. Example. Now we will take an example. If we want to search profile of leads who are in marketing seeking new opportunity. So they are seeking new opportunities and they are in marketing. Those kind of profile we have to search. So what we will write? Seeking and opportunity. That means, because generally what happen, candidates write in their LinkedIn looking for opportunity or new opportunity or something like that, or seeking new work or seeking new opportunity. So they may have used both the keywords or any of them. So we'll write seeking and opportunity and marketing. Why we have used and here? Because every keyword is important. They should be from marketing, they should be seeking new opportunity. Okay, so these combination of words will give us the desired result. And suppose we are not getting the desired result, or if we are getting only one, suppose we applied this search and we got only 10 resumes, but we want more resume. What we can do? We can exclude this. We will just write opportunities and marketing. We'll get 50 resume. So we can always, this is try and error. You use a certain kind of, there is no, I can say there are some rules which if you will follow, you will get your exact result, but there is no hard and fast rule. So keeping in mind these basic rule, you can obviously try searching, you will get some resumes. If you are not satisfied, you can use some other keywords and you can lessen the words, you can add more words. So it is all up to you. With practice only you will become good at searching candidates. So don't worry about this topic that oh my god, there is some rocket science is there. There's nothing like that. It's a very easy topic. If you are studying it for the first time, obviously it can be overwhelming for some of you, but with time, by start using on LinkedIn, you will understand the basics of it, and your searching game will improve. So now here one more thing is that in title resume or in URL resume or in title bio or in URL bio. So this will help us to search for which kind of title we want, that the title should be resume, or URL should be in URL resume should be there, or in title bio should be written, or in URL bio should be there. So this is to search for, you know, resumes and bio of the candidates. Now we'll take up 2 examples. Also this Boolean search string is a case, it's not case sensitive. We can use in capital letter or in lower letter. It's both ways it is fine. Now search profile for IT asset manager using Boolean search string. So it is written that we have to search profile for an IT asset manager. So what is, we have written IT asset manager in quotes, why in quotes? Because this is, we are using 2 to 3 words in one frame. So again we have written same thing with, you know, we have expanded IT into information technology asset manager, because some people may have written IT, some may have written information technology. So we have to use all the you know, abbreviate, what we call it, all the different words which can be used for that particular word, or it can be ITAM, that is ITAM. So IT, A for asset and M for manager, and Excel and KPI. So apart from, so this you know, IT asset manager should have the knowledge of Excel and KPI. So I think this example got clear. Now moving ahead with another example. So don't worry about seeing this long example. This is just to explain you that complicated looking searches are not that complicated if you will see them carefully. So here we'll search profile for call center representative. So now carefully see what is written, call center representative. Okay, so this is under one quote. Now what is written, or contact center representative, because they can use the term contact also. Call representative manager, some may have not used center word. Then or call center customer service representative, okay, or call center rep. Instead of writing full representative, some people may have written rep. Then call center agent, okay, so another word for representative is agent, or call center sales representative, okay. Then remote call center representative, call center, then call center associate, or call center sales agent, or inbound call center representative, service center representative, healthcare call center representative. So why we have used healthcare? Maybe our company is not a healthcare company, but some people may have worked in past in healthcare call center, so they have written healthcare call center, but they have experience working in call center. Then medical call center representative, virtual call center representative, or normal customer care, customer support. Okay, so see, everything is written with or, and Canadian and French and English. That means that this person should be a Canadian, should know English, should know French. So this is mandatory. Apart from them, all the abbreviation of call center is written with or. So we can see that from these examples that using Boolean search string is not a very tough job. It seems overwhelming at the first view, but if we start using it, it becomes very easy to search the desired kind of candidate. Also, don't worry about the keywords or the different keywords for that team, because that you can always look up for those keywords from the particular team. You can ask them, and according to what they guide, we can use those keywords. Also, we have given a few questions at the end of the session, so please do attempt those questions, because it will give you more idea about how to do Boolean search string. And one practical point that I want to mention here, that open your LinkedIn profile and start searching for candidate depending upon what you have learned here. So suppose you have to search for security engineer who should know Java and C++. So you will write security engineer. So how you will write once again? So this is your idea, okay? So think of any post and then start writing. So you will write here in this year, you will write security engineer and Java and C++. Simple, you write this and see how many profiles are coming. Suppose 50 profile come. So now you can write this engineer, short form ENGG into full form engineer. Similarly, you can search for what are the various keywords for security engineers. So you can use those keywords with or and or modifiers, operators. So in this way, you can keep trying and see what kind of results you are getting. And with practice, you will be expert in Boolean search, using Boolean search string. So now this was all about recruitment and selection. See you in the next section. Bye bye. Thank you.